The seats on a children's merry-go-round are labeled 1, 2, 3, and so on. On the merry-go-round, Adam was sitting on seat number 2, exactly opposite Mark, who was sitting on seat number 7. How many seats are there on the merry-go-round? Since Adam and Mark are sitting exactly opposite each other, the seat numbers between them in one direction are 3, 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, total number of seats between them on one side is equal to 4. Since it is a merry-go-round, number of seats between them in other direction also has to be the same, which is 4. Therefore, total number of seats in the merry-go-round is equal to 10, including Adam and Mark. Thank you for watching.